Why are you walking in circles? You shouldn't grab the camera. Aren't you dizzy?
You're so perfect. You want to wave to the camera? Reagan, what are you doing?
You look tired, Mom.
Yes, that was... Oh, no. The kitties are way more photogenic.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh. What are making faces? That is quite a face there. Hi, little one.
You know your aunt's already got someone, right?
You know what? I think this one needs to go in again.
Okay. All right. Well, how about we switch? I'm going to set this down, and then Breen can turn it off. Let's go. Let's go.